Hey everyone. Today I want to talk about two important topics: the water crisis that's been impacting manatees in Florida, and whether corporate sponsorships like Finish dishwasher detergent affect the trustworthiness of videos that talk about water issues. So let's start with the manatees. You heard on the video that over 1,100 manatees died in Florida in 2021, and the main reason for that is I think what is called nutrient pollution, and that pollution from things like fertilizers running off from farms, which cause these big algae blooms, and the blooms block the sunlight, and when that happens, it stops the seagrass from growing, which is basically the manatee's main food source, and when that disappears, they starve. And obviously, it doesn't just affect manatees, humans are impacted too. The algae blooms make water unsafe for us to swim in and even use for drinking. And it's also bad for the economy, especially in Florida, where so much of their economy depends on tourism and fishing. So, and then there's the environmental impacts itself. When the seagrass dies, the whole ecosystem suffers. Fish populations drop, and it creates a ripple effect through the entire food chain. So, what's being done about it? Some of the solutions that have been proposed are regulating the runoff more strictly or restoring some habitats, seagrass habitats specifically. Florida has also implemented the manatee rescue and rehabilitation programs, which was mentioned in the video, and those have been successful in saving individual manatees, but unless the quality of the water improves, it's not going to be a permanent fix. It is definitely complex, and it's going to take more time and money to solve. Um, so I just wanted to talk about the question about Finish dishwasher detergent. I personally don't think that that there's any. I mean, there is a red flag just because it's a corporate sponsorship, right? And they may have their own agenda, but sells products that save water. They have a focus on sustainability. So you could argue that they might steer the conversation towards like individual actions rather than bigger systemic things like runoff and pollution. But on the other hand, just because a company sponsors a video doesn't automatically mean the information is unreliable or biased. As long as the facts are solid and the video is transparent about its sponsorship, I don't think it really reduces its value. Um, and all of the sources that I read seem to be backing up the fact that everything in the video is factual. So companies are starting to take sustainability more seriously, and sometimes they actually help raise awareness about really big issues like this. So I think the key is to be skeptical, but the video is presented in a very balanced and research backed um, approach. So it's still valuable. I can't answer the last question on this discussion because I have never experienced water insecurity. I can't recall a time where that was an issue. So I hope everyone's having a great week and have a good weekend and talk to you later.